everyone, welcome back to Subar Info. In today's video, we are going to discuss the part 4 of chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. So, in the previous video, we have told you that we have done endoplasmic reticulum, we have done nucleus, we have done mitochondria also, but now some of the things were left. So, we have to complete them also. So, the first thing which was left was what it was. I have written also on the board. It is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. So you have to just remember its name. Okay. So it was discovered by Camillo. What? By Camillo Golgi only. Why he kept the name Golgi apparatus? Because his name was also Golgi. So that's why Golgi. So that's why he kept the name also same. Okay. So what is the work of it? The work of it is to pack the materials which are present near the ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum, and just dispatch them. They pack and dispatch. There is a work of they pack the product and they just dispatch it. So this happens. Okay. So next is plastid. This Golgi apparatus, it is not having too much meaning. It is just you have to remember for 1 mark question, okay, 1 or 2 marks question, that who described it. First, it was described by Camillo Golgi, so that's why he kept his name also. And its work is to pack and dispatch. Okay, so this only you have to write here. Next come plastids. What are plastids? They are present only and only in a plant cell, not at all in the animal cell. You have to remember this. There are two types. What is those two types? First one is chromoplast and the other one is leucoplast. So we know that chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is a pigment which gives green color to the leaves, or it gives green color to the leaves, right? But that chlorophyll is present in the full plant cell, right? So that chlorophyll gives colors, and these chromoplasts, they give color. Okay, these are the chromoplasts. They are those plants which contains color. Okay, examples are those plants which contains color, but they are not at all green color flowers. Okay, they are not at all green color flowers. Have you seen any time green color flower? No, we haven't. But we can say that possibility of green color flower is more, right? The possibility can be there. Any 1 or 2 can be there, right? Scientists may have developed a color with the methods, right? There are many scientific methods, so they might have, but they are not there. Naturally, they are not there. Now, what are leucoplasts? They are those which are not having any color. They are not having color means different colors are not there. They only have green or maybe brown color. Okay, simple colors are there with them. Now what is next? So before starting the next topic, we have to discuss that plastids means the chromoplast. Chlorophyll. See, I'm speaking chlorophyll again and again. It is chromoplast. You have to remember it. Chromoplast and leucoplast. Okay, you have to remember them both. They are very, very important. So example of chromoplast are chlorophyll or chloroplast. Okay, and leucoplasts, what are they? They are not having any color. Their function is also different. They store fat, starch in plant. Fat and starch they store. Okay. So now next, let's go to the next topic, that is lysosomes. Okay, so what are lysosomes? Lysosomes, they are those organelles which are cleaning, means they do cleaning, right? They clean the full cell. They are cleaning organelles and contain digestive enzyme, which is the waste. Okay, so these lysosomes, they contain what they contain? They contain waste, which is the digestive enzyme. So lysosomes, they are also known as suicide bags. Why they are known as suicide bags? Because they do suicide. Yes, it is really. It is suicide only. So why they are known as suicide bags? Because if any cell has got injured, what they do? They just blast themselves. Right? They blast themselves only. And that's why they are known as suicide bags also. And after after they blast themselves, all the injured cell gets recovered. Okay, so this is only why they do suicide and why they are known as suicide bags, because they actually suicide. So that's why it is known as suicide bags. Now comes vacuoles. Vacuoles, they are the storehouse. They store the things. Okay, so if we talk about animal cell, then in animal cell their number is more, right? Number is high of vacuoles, but they are very small. They're very small. It may be that there is just this much, and number is very much. Only small particles can be there. But if we talk in the plant cells, then they are big. They can be big, but they are not at all more. Means number is less, but they are big. They are huge. It can be that only there is one cell and which is very big, one vacuole and which is very big. So this is like this. Vacuoles are like this. So these lysosomes, vacuoles, plastids, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes are said. All are known as cell organelles. So the extra functions, extra contents which are present in a cell are known as cell organelles. So these all which we have discussed are known as cell organelles. Okay. Okay, so this is clear to everyone, right? I think it is clear to everyone. Now we come to the cell division. So cell can be divided, means the cell division can be there in two types. So what are these two types? So how, means what is cell division? That I told that there are two types of, means the division of cell into two categories is known as cell division, right? What are those categories? The first one is mitosis and the other one is meiosis. Okay, meiosis, they are reduction division. They do reduction. They are not exactly, right? We say that two parent cell, okay, two parent cell give birth to one daughter cell, or sometimes like in the case of amoeba, hydra, they give one parent cell give birth to two daughter cells, right? So it happens like this. Okay, so this only we are going to discuss, that in mitosis what happens. So in mitosis, daughter cell, right, which daughter cell is there, no, that contains same number of chromosomes. They contain the same number of chromosomes which are there which she has got, it has got from the parent cell. Okay, how many parent cell has chromosomes? That the daughter cell will also have. Same number will be there, and it is in all the cells. It happens with all the cells. And if we talk about meiosis, right? Meiosis, then what is it? It is a reduction cell. So means it will give reduction, no? So in this type, what happens? Daughter cell, they contain only and only half number of chromosomes, and it is only in reproductive cells. Okay, mitosis, it is there in all cells, and meiosis, it is there only and only in reproductive cells. Okay, so this was a brief information about cell division, and of cell division there is not too much information which you have to gather. It's just a minor thing which you have to learn. Okay, now we have at the back of the book, we have exercise question answers, right? Then summary is also given. So your summary of the chapter is very important. You have to just take a look over it. You have to just read it once and revise it. Okay, and exercise questions and in-text questions. In-text questions and exercise questions I'm not giving you people in the description box, because I don't think so that you need them, because we have got evergreen books also, right? You would be having evergreen books of science also, and if not, you can buy them. They are very good. And for the same, I'll be sending the evergreen books PDF, so from that you can learn very easily. So that's all in this video, and we have completed one chapter, that is chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. So the next chapter, maybe I will start off physics or chemistry. Okay, this was biology chapter. Oh, I forgot to write biology here. It was a biology chapter. Okay, so we have completed chapter number 5 of biology, means we have completed the syllabus of biology. So that's all, my friends. And what? Bye bye. See you in the next video, which will be for chemistry, or maybe I'll see physics, any one of the subjects. Okay, so bye bye. See you in the next video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And bye bye. And also subscribe too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Super Info.